How to add music to videos in Filto editing app. First of all, open the Filto app and tap the plus button to start a new project. Select the video you want to edit from your gallery and choose the correct aspect ratio based on what you plan to post it, like 9:16 for reels or stories. Next, look for the music or sound icon at the bottom toolbar and tap on it. This will open Filto's audio options. Here you can either choose music from Filto's built-in music library or tap the import button to use a song or audio file from your device. Browse through the categories or trending soundtracks to find the one that fits your video's mood. You can preview each track before applying it. Once you have selected a song, tap to apply it to your video. You will also see editing options to trim the audio or adjust where the music starts and ends. You can adjust the volume of the music so it doesn't overpower the original video sound or mute the original audio if needed. After syncing the music with your video, preview the edit to make sure it flows well. When everything looks good, tap the save button to export your video with the music included. Now you know how to add music to videos in Filto editing app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.